Okay guys, so here's my cabana. I was supposed to be sharing it with my sister, but she decided at the last minute, no, she's not coming. So I got the whole cabana to myself, which is awkward, but some of you may know that I'm spending the summer working as a cabana attendant. So I'm like, you know what? Today's my day to be a cabana guest. So it comes, as you see, with 5 chairs and this table out here, which is nice. There was no escort, but it's $130, so, you know, you can't expect Volcano Bay for $130. 2 of these lounge chairs. So, table, which has some storage in it. It doesn't lock. I don't think there's even the ability to lock, but there is the lockbox over here. And a refrigerator, which is more like a retail display than a refrigerator, but it's still a refrigerator with, as you probably have guessed, Dasani water. Seem to be a sponsor of the cabanas. A fan, which is off, but there's a switch over there, so that's really easy to fix. And then up here, see, that was easy. And that is a tour of the, oh, also up here there is a television with DirecTV. Not gonna watch it, but it's there. So here I am as a guest, and I feel like I'm a cabana attendant giving a tour, but that is a tour of my cabana for one. Now it can, like at Universal, it could be up to 6 people. That's why there's 6 bottles of water, but if you're looking for the cabanas, as I was, it is by the wave pool. You probably noticed that already, but... Oh, also check-in is right over here. You can see it over there. And again, Dasani, if you missed that before, I think I showed it, but now you see it. So it's nice. I mean, well, it's $130, but I'm a platinum pass holder, so I am able to get $30 off. So for $100, it's nice for $100. It's actually really nice for $100, and a great place to have a base of operation during the day. So I'm gonna go on some water rides.